Jackson Gets Punished. Season 1, Episode 16. Jackson pulled the fire alarm and ditched school at the same time / grounded. Enjoy! Created by Banana Peel 5500. Man, I'm so pissed that Bradley destroyed my fucking Nintendo Switch. God fucking damn it. It's Bradley. Shut up, 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 shut up. There's no way that I'll shut up. And it's time for school. No, 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 no. I'm not ever going to this boring ass school. Wah! You drag my hair. I don't care, stupid! And let's go right now. Fine. Well, I don't want to be in this boring ass math, and Hunter makes fun of me in class.
Wait! What's going on? What did Hunter do to you?
While I was in Hunter's class, he made fun of me because I am wearing diapers. He was talking about babies earlier.
Arrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrr
But I have a plan.
What's your plan?
I'm going to pull the fire alarm and ditch school at the same time. Because that stupid wannabe DC and Blunter doesn't find out.
Brilliant! That's a smart idea.
Well, I gotta get to class. I'll see you later. And we'll hang out sometime.
See you, Jackson.
Good morning! And today we're doing math. Class, open your books to page 45. Hunter. Now what is it? Can I take a piss in the bathroom? No, because you remember the last time you went. You ditched school again. Arrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrr myself or blow out my anger if I can't go. Ugh, fine. You have 5 minutes. And we'll be checking the cameras. Now it's my time to pull the fire alarm, and then I'll ditch school at the same time. I'm plugging my ears. Okay, good. Now let's get the fuck out of here before Blunter and that wannabe DC find out. Oh my god! It's the fire alarm. Okay, class. You know the drill. Now let's go somewhere, like to the beach. Ah, this is relaxing. Maybe I'll do something like more fun while I'm at the beach. I'll try surfing. Well, that was fun. Now let's DoorDash some food. Like McDonald's. Because sadly, I could not order food while I'm not wearing pants. Because turd bread burned all of my pants. Meanwhile at school. Okay class, sorry about what happened. It was the fire alarm that went off. And where the hell is Jackson? I think he pulled the fire alarm again. Let me go see DC. Hey Hunter. Hey DC. Have you seen Jackson anywhere? I think he pulled the fire alarm again. I'm not sure, maybe he is ditching school again. It has to be the fire alarm. I believe so. I think it's both. What? Do you think Jackson pulled the fire alarm and ditched school at the same time? Well, let's look at the camera footage after the video had ended. Ooh. Jackson pulled the fire alarm and ditched school at the same time. Hunter, thanks for telling me and letting me know that. No problem. Now let's get back to work. I'll take Jackson to your office as soon as he gets back. Okay. Well, my food has arrived.
Hello. I got your food that you ordered. Here you go.
Thanks!
Is this your swimsuit you're wearing? Because it looks like you're not wearing pants.
Yes, it is.
Hope you have a nice day.
I will. Alright, let's dig in. Nom 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 nom. That was delicious. Now let's go to that boring ass school. Alright class, now let's continue with math. I'm so sorry, Hunter. I have a massive diarrhea. Well, Jackson, I don't believe you. But please, Hunter. I sat in the bathroom for so long, took a dump in this toilet. Would you like to explain that to DC? Fuck no. Wah. You dragged my hair. Jackson, sit down now. Jackson, is it true that you pulled the fire alarm and ditched school at the same time? Tell me the truth. Because if you lie to me, I'm calling the cops. Okay, fine. You caught me. I pulled the fire alarm and ditched school at the same time. Ooh. Jackson, I can't believe you pulled the fire alarm and ditched school at the same time. You leave me no choice. I'm calling Bradley to take you home. No, 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 no. Please don't call Turd Brad. Hey, DC. And what did Jackson do now? Jackson pulled the fire alarm and ditched school at the same time. Ooh. I'll pick him up right now and spank him. Wah. Why did you drag my hair and tied me up to the chair? I did not say anything to you. You do not ask me why. I know that you're trying to run away. And Bradley is here. Let's go home now. Arrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrrr fire alarm and ditched school in the first place. You're going to be grounded while we get home. No, 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 no. Oh my god, Jackson. I can't believe you pulled the fire alarm and ditched school at the same time. That's it. You're grounded, 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 grounded for life. Now go upstairs to your room right now while I'm destroying your phone. Hey! Give me back my phone, you motherfucker. No! I'm not. Now go. No. Please don't destroy my phone. Motherfucker. Jackson, 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 Jackson the chicken. I'm not ever buying you a new phone, not anymore. Tell me why, then it's concussion time. Now stay in your room. And poop in your diapers. Wah. Wah. That's my another worst idea I have ever done. Thanks for watching. Goodbye. See you next time.